Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that you might not think twice about, but one that can genuinely elevate your cooking experience and protect your valuable cookware. We're talking about the ORO cooking spoon from their Seamless series. Now, I know what you're thinking, it's just a spoon, right? Well, after spending some quality time with this utensil, I can confidently say it's far more than just a spoon. Let's start with what makes this ORO spoon stand out. The first thing you'll notice is its construction. This isn't some flimsy piece of plastic or a metal spoon that's going to scratch up your nonstick pans. ORO has opted for a food-grade, BPA-free, and LFGB Certified silicone. That's a mouthful, but it essentially means it's safe for your food, free from harmful chemicals, and meets rigorous European safety standards. A key selling point is its heat resistance. This spoon is rated to withstand temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. For the average home cook, that's incredibly high. Think searing, sautéing, and simmering on high heat. You can leave this spoon resting in a hot pan without any worry of it melting or deforming. I've tested this with some pretty intense cooking scenarios, and it held up flawlessly. No more that unsettling feeling of a melted utensil at the bottom of your pot. Design-wise, ORO has clearly put a lot of thought into this. It measures a generous 13 inches in length, which is fantastic for reaching into deeper pots and pans without getting your hands too close to the heat. But it's not just the length. The spoon features a robust stainless steel core. This internal reinforcement gives it a substantial feel without being overly heavy. It means you can really stir thick stews or dense batters with confidence. The handle is ergonomically designed, and it has this velvety-smooth finish that makes it incredibly comfortable to hold. It really does feel balanced and natural in your hand, which is important for long cooking sessions. Now, let's talk about cleaning and hygiene. This is where the Seamless in their series name really comes into play. The spoon is constructed from a single piece of silicone. There are no nooks or crannies where food can get trapped and build up. This is a huge advantage for hygiene, ensuring a more sanitary cooking environment. Cleaning it by hand is a breeze. A quick wipe with a sponge and some soap is usually all it takes. And for those days when you just want to toss everything in the dishwasher, this spoon is completely dishwasher safe, making cleanup even more convenient. The compatibility with non-stick cookware is another major win. As I mentioned, the pro-grade silicone won't scratch your expensive non-stick pots and pans. Whether you're gently stirring a delicate sauce or serving up a hearty vegetable medley, you can be confident that your cookware's surface will remain pristine. This is a crucial feature for anyone who has invested in quality cookware and wants to maintain its longevity. So, what are the pros and cons of the ORO cooking spoon? On the pro side, the heat resistance is outstanding, offering incredible peace of mind. The durable construction with the stainless steel core provides excellent sturdiness. The ergonomic, comfortable handle makes it a pleasure to use. The seamless, one-piece design promotes hygiene and makes cleaning incredibly easy, both by hand and in the dishwasher. And, of course, its non-scratch surface is perfect for all types of cookware. Are there any cons? Honestly, it's hard to find significant drawbacks. If I had to nitpick, some users might prefer a slightly more flexible silicone for certain tasks, but for a solid cooking spoon, the rigidity here is a feature, not a bug. Also, while the 13-inch length is generally a positive, for very small kitchens or compact drawers, it might take up a bit more storage space than a shorter utensil. However, these are very minor points in the grand scheme of things. ORO also backs their products with what they call their forever promise and excellent customer care. This means they stand behind their utensils, offering replacements for damaged or defective items. This commitment to customer satisfaction is a reassuring factor when making a purchase. In conclusion, the ORO Seamless Series Solid Cooking Spoon is, in my opinion, an exceptional kitchen tool. It's not just about functionality, it's about quality, safety, and durability. It's an investment that will serve you well for years to come, protecting your cookware and making your cooking tasks more enjoyable and worry-free. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen utensil collection with a reliable, safe, and high-performing cooking spoon, this DIORO option should definitely be on your radar. Link in the description.